So you're writing an estimate, and all of a sudden this prompt pops up when you're writing an estimate in CCC, and it just says, will the bumper be refinished in a separate procedure from the other panels? And a lot of people don't know whether they should answer yes or if they should select no. So whenever I want to know something specific to the estimating systems, I'll always defer to Danny from the DEG. So Danny, what should I be doing as an estimator? Should I select yes? Should I select no?
Great question, Mike. And I want to recap that question. Will the bumper be refinished in a separate operation from any other panels? And again, if you answer yes, that strictly means that you're going to mix clear coat using flex agent. So that way you have flexible clear coat for that bumper cover. If you answer no, that means you're not going to be mixing a separate batch of clear, and you're going to be using the same clear from the rest of the vehicle onto that bumper. And again, always consult with your paint manufacturer which version of clear coat you want to apply on those flexible parts for warranty purposes especially. So again, how do we identify that on the sheet if you're reviewing a repair plan that's already been written? And there's going to be two symbols, and it's going to be like a right and left arrow, and it's going to be in the very left column on the CCC repair plan. So it's really important we understand that the bumper prompt is strictly to do with adding flex into your clear coat or no flex into your clear coat. And again, if you answer no, there's going to be an overlap deduction taken on that first major panel, which is now your bumper cover. So again, read those estimates, read the symbols. The right and left arrow will identify if it's been selected yes or no.
So just to recap, Danny, when it asks me yes or no, it's not asking me, am I paying the bumper off of the vehicle or separate from the vehicle? That's not what it's asking. It's just asking, am I going to be using a different clear coat on the bumper with an additive in it versus the clear coat on the rest of the vehicle? Is that correct?
Correct. So again, consult your paint manufacturer to determine which kind of clear coat you want to use on that bumper for warranty purposes. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.